Now children, consider this example. If sec theta is 25 by 7 and find the values of tan theta and cosec theta. So and the value of sec theta is given. So let us consider one triangle, right angle triangle ABC. Now angle B is 90 degree and this angle theta, acute angle we will consider, and tan theta of this angle we have to find, as well as the cosec theta of this angle you have to find out. So since here it is given sec theta is 25 by 7 and we know that sec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon base. So hypotenuse is it is given 25 and base is given 7. So let us consider, so hypotenuse, this is, let us consider this AC is 25k and the base is 7k. So 25k and 7k, this is hypotenuse and this one is the base. Therefore, let AC is 25k and AB is equal to 7k. We have to find the value of this BC. So now since ABC is a right angle triangle, so we know that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, or BC square is equal to AC minus AB square. So AC minus AB square. Since the value of AC we have taken as 25k, so AC square is 25k square and AB is 7k, so AB square is 7k whole square. So 25k whole square is 625k square and 7k square is minus 49k square. And if you now solve 625 minus 49k square, you will get 576k square. So taking square root of this one, so BC will get 24k. So BC means here, this BC, this length BC is 24k we have got. Now we have to find tan theta. We know that tan theta is perpendicular upon base. So perpendicular is 24k and the base is 7k. So 24k by 7k you just write, and then k cancel, so 24 by 7. So the value of tan theta will be 24 by 7. Similarly, cosec theta is, we know that hypotenuse upon perpendicular. So hypotenuse is 25k and the perpendicular is 24k. So 25k by 24k and k you cancel, so cosec theta you will get as 25 by 24. So the value of tan theta is 24 by 7 and cosec theta is 25 by 24. Now let us consider another example. The example is here. Okay, now consider this example 3. If tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3, show that 1 minus cosec square theta divided by 2 minus sin square theta is equal to 3 by 5. So cot theta is 1 by root 3 and we know cot theta is base upon perpendicular. It means that if we'll consider base as k, then perpendicular will be root 3k. So let this BC, again you consider the triangle ABC, angle C is 90 degree. Okay, and this angle theta is there which we are considering. So let BC, the base is k and the perpendicular AC is root 3k. So using Pythagoras theorem, will you write AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square. So AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square, or since the value of AC is root 3k, so AC square is root 3k square. BC is k, so BC square is k square. So root 3k whole square is 3k square and k square is k square as it is, you write. 3k square plus k square is 4k square. So this is 4k square. Therefore AB, by taking the square root of this one, so AB is equal to 2k. So the length of AB, the hypotenuse is 2k. Now we have to find the value of 1 minus cosec square theta minus 2 minus divided by 2 minus sin square theta. So we'll find the value of cos theta and sin theta and we'll put in this expression. So now see here, the cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. Base is what? K and hypotenuse is 2k. So k by 2k, this k cancel, this k cancel. So cos theta you will get 1 by 2, and if you find cos square theta. Remember children, this cos square theta is cos theta whole square. It is same. This is equal to cos square theta. So it is the square of cos theta is only cos square theta. So let us see here, cos square theta is 1 by 2 whole square, so 1 by 4 will get. Similarly, find the value of sin theta. We know sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is root 3k, hypotenuse is 2k. So root 3k by 2k, k you cancel. Root 3 by 2 you will get root 3 by 2 as sin theta. Therefore, sin square theta means the square of this sin theta will be root 3 by 2 whole square, that is equal to 3 by 4. So, because root 3 square is 3 and 2 square is 4. So, 3 by 4 you will get. Now, 1 minus cos square theta and divided by 2 minus sin square theta. So, 1 minus 1 by 4 because cos square theta is 1 by 4. So, 1 minus 1 by 4 divided by 2 minus 3 by 4 because sin square theta is 3 by 4. Now, simplify. 4 minus 1 is 3 by 4 and 2 minus 3 by 4 is 8 minus 3, which is 5 by 4. So, 5 by 4, the reciprocal will write 4 by 5. So, reciprocal will put here. So, reciprocal 4 by 5 we are going to write. So, this 4 cancels. So, 3 by 5, 3 by 5. Okay. This here 1 minus cos square theta, how we have found? We have just put the value of cos square theta here and sin square theta here. So 1 minus 1 by 4 which is equal to 3 by 4 and 2 minus 3 by 4 which is equal to 4 by 5, and since here division is there, so we'll write multiplication sign and the reciprocal of this one. Earlier it was now 5 by 4, now it will become 4 by 5. So 4 cancel, 3 by 5 will remain. So 3 by 5. Therefore 1 minus cos square theta divided by 2 minus sin square theta is 3 by 4, which is equal to right hand side. This is what you are supposed to prove. This is 3 by 4. So 1 minus cos square theta divided by 2 minus sin square theta is equal to 3 by 4. We are supposed to prove. So hence proved. Thank you.